Welcome to BBQ Today we're cooking up a cup of ribs at the pit, and it's easy to do. That's what I said, cup of ribs. And there we have some St. Louis style cut spare ribs. Now, we've got a trick. These are going to be quick ribs. We're adding bicarbonate soda into this bowl, and this is going to be a brine, so to speak. Very different than a salt brine. The bicarbonate soda is perfect for tenderizing the meat in these ribs. So, we've got the brine, and we're only going to do this for 30 minutes, no more, right? And don't put them in the refrige. Bring them to room temp. All right. 30 minutes has gone by. That's it. Dry them down, wipe them up. And here we're just going to add some mustard. Right? Now, of course, if you don't want to do the mustard, you don't have the mustard, but this is the perfect wet rub for these ribs, right? Now you want to layer on some rubs, so we're using our pork privilege, right? We're doing pork spare ribs. Oh, this is going to be good. Now, for those who are asking, what the heck is cup of rib? Well, here it is. We're using a cup in order to tie the ribs around it. And you've seen us use this method before, right? And what we do here and what we accomplish by doing this is we save a lot of space on the grill, right? We can do 4 ribs instead of 2 on, say, a smaller grill, right? So, we tie the ribs around with some butcher's string. Place it in the pan. And now, we're going to need some mopping sauce. So here we've got some cognac. You want to use cognac, right? Best. Because this is a fancy-ass plate. Would impress a king. Or your girlfriend. Now, in goes some fresh rosemary. We've got some unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Oh, this is healthy for you. And we're going to put them on the grill at high temperature. We don't need to go low and slow. We've already tenderized these ribs with the bicarbonate soda. So while we're waiting to cook, we're going to roast up some of these chilies. I'll tell you what. This is what hanging at the pit is all about, right? Kicking back and enjoying the good things of life. All right, now we're going to baste these ribs, and you want to do them a bunch of times during this cook. After all, we're in high temperature. So we'll use that sprig of rosemary to do the mopping. Oh, yeah, a Rob Ross secret. And then we're going to add some butter. Butter and brandy just go together, right? They just go together. All right. So, man. So the chilies have been roasted whole. And that's the way to do them. Oh, man. All right. Take a look at that. So we're about halfway through. We're going to turn these plates for some even cooking going on. Now, if you've got these on your smoker or something, you may not have to do that. Again, take those sprigs of rosemary, use them like a paintbrush. Oh, you cannot believe the smell that's going on here. Can you smell that? It smells good. All right. As you can see, we're moving on quickly because we're using those high temperatures. And now you can see those rib bones on these spares, which is time to get ready to pull it off. There's just a couple more things to do. A little mopping, of course. We'll get that mopping sauce out of the way. Because what we want to do is finish up these ribs. Oh, man. Take your time. This is perfect. Great way to spend an afternoon or a holiday weekend. So now we're going to go indirect on the grill. This will allow the inside of the ribs to get the texture we want. It only takes a few minutes. Again, because we're working at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So, another few minutes to go. In the meantime, get some garlic, some butter, and some beans. Throw on a little bit of your favorite rub, or like our SPG. I'll tell you what, now you got some sides. Those beans, take a look at that. These cup of ribs are done. Whoa. You kidding me? You can see what a space saver they are on this kettle. Normally you'd only could do maybe 2 racks. You could easily do 4 or 5 racks using this method. Perfect. Love them cup of ribs. All right, you can set these up any way you want. Of course, everybody gets 1 rack. Oh, we got some fresh kraut there, those roasted peppers and those beans. Lord have mercy. Look how tender that is. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.